How you going, boys? Today we're looking at piecework, royalties, and income from the government. Okay, so let's start off here. What's piecework? So piecework is a fixed amount for work complete. Okay, so basically you get paid for the work you do or every job you complete. So people who are employed to complete a particular task, such as an electrician installing lights, are earning piecework. Okay, so the advantage of being a piecework or working as a piecework would be, so incentive to work hard, so income increases with more work completed and often flexible hours in workplace. And the disadvantage would be no permanent employment, no sick leave or holiday pay, and it also may not include superannuation. Okay, so that's kind of similar to a casual worker, if you remember a couple lessons ago. All right, so looking at the example, it says Noah is a tiler and charges $47 per square meter to lay tiles. How much will he earn for laying tiles in a room whose area is 14 square meters? Okay, so that's how much. That's how much per square. Oh, my pencil's not working. That's how much is per square, and that's the job that he did. So all we do there is just multiply the two. So $47 by 14 square meters. Put that in a calculator. And for that job there, he'd make $685. So $658, sorry, my mistake. $658. All right. Okay. So next, a royalty. So a royalty is a payment for the use of intellectual property, such as a book or a song. So think of commercials that you watch at home, and think of like how many times you hear the same song. So for instance, one that I can remember is like that Everybody Dance Now, you know, where that person's Everybody Dance Now. That was horrible, but anyway, you get the point. It is calculated as a percentage of the revenue or profit received from its use. So people such as creative artists and authors receive a royalty. The advantage of the royalties are you got incentive to work hard. Income increases with better product and flexible hours in work and workplace. And again, a disadvantage, income varies according to sales. There's no superannuation, no sick leave, no holiday pay. All right, so looking at the example here, it says Hiroshi is an author and he's paid a royalty of 12% of books sold. Find his royalties if there were 2,480 books sold at $67.50 each. So basically what we're doing is, if that's how much one book cost, that's the total amount of books that were sold. We want to find the 12% of that total of these two numbers multiplied together. So the first thing we need to do is $67.50 times 2,480, okay? Put that in the calculator. So $67.50 times 2,480. And the total revenue on that book is $167,400. All right, and he makes 12% of that there. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply that figure there by 12%. So 167,400 times 0.12. And in total, so that total comes to $20,088. So basically this guy Hiroshi, from the 2,480 books that were sold, his commission is 12%. So in total, he makes $20,888. Right there. So, yeah, if you wanted to, you could just multiply that 6,750 by 2,480 by 12%. You know, I've just showed you an extra step there. The last thing we're looking at is the government income. All right, so government income is an income received from the government. This includes pension, allowance, or benefit. Okay, so some of you young people, who can you can apply for a youth allowance. Okay, maybe your grandparents are on a pension, or and there's also benefits. So for example, an age pension is payable for a person who has reached 65 years of age. So that's for a male. The requirements for receiving these incomes may change according to the priorities of the current government. So here's an example of a table. So it's a youth allowance, helps people studying, undertaking training, or in an apprenticeship. All right, so if you're under 18 and at home, you get a youth allowance you can receive a youth allowance of $194.50. Under 18 and away from home, $355.40. 18 and over away from home, $355.40. And 18 and over at home is $233.90. Okay. Looking at the example, how much youth allowance does Ryan receive in a year if he is over 18 and living at home while studying? So over 18 and living at home, he would receive that $233.90 per fortnight. Okay. And we want to find out how much he would earn in a year. So $233.90. Okay, so if that's per fortnight, we can multiply that by 26. So $233.90 times 26. And he would earn on the youth allowance $6,081.40.